Do you have an empty patio area? Are you planning to landscape it? You can landscape a small patio by creating a cozy space by planting a wall of bushes or trees. This creates a natural visual and sound barrier. You can then either plant in the ground, in flower boxes, or in pots. Also, you can choose plants of varying heights. In addition, you could add a water feature. It will create white noise and a calming effect. This is just one way of making your patio area look nice. There are several other ways you could do just that. If you want to see what others have done with their patio areas, keep on watching till the end to see some inspirational ideas. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One way of making your patio look nice is by adding concrete items. Look for ways to make the concrete more attractive. You could paint or stain it for an easy and quick makeover. You could lay an outdoor rug over it. For a more permanent upgrade, you could lay slate tiles down or lay decking over it. Both of these solutions will hide the concrete and transform your concrete patio. You don't need much to create a covetable outdoor lounge. A small section of your backyard or garden, stone pebbles, and patio decor ideas are enough for a delightful social nook. Complete the look with comfy seating, cute accent tables, pillows, and plenty of pot plants. You can also use a small space to your advantage by creating a cozy spot for late-night coffee or drinks. Besides, an intimate setup can also be exceptional for small get-togethers. Line patio furniture or structures with classy string lights to make design and decor ideas glimmer. Be sure to round off the look with floor lanterns too. Among the design considerations, one is flow. Consider flow. Make sure dining areas have enough room around the seating for people to get in and out of their chairs and comfortably move about. Allow enough space on pathways to walk without being cramped. Connect outdoor rooms with transition areas, whether it's a pathway, landing, or arbor. If you have an indoor kitchen, place dining and cooking areas near the indoor kitchen to facilitate transport of food and beverages. Lesser trafficked areas such as a reading nook or meditation spot can be sited further away from the home, which will also encourage you to spend time in different parts of the yard. Provide access between the back and front yard. One method of maximizing space is to use the vertical space available. Distract from your lack of horizontal yardage by really maximizing your outdoor space's most abundant dimension, vertical space. Use your walls, fence, or railings as extra space by adding vines or a living wall filled with flowers, herbs, and other eye-catching greenery. For a simple change, prop an attractive ladder against the wall and use its rungs as shelving for plants or other decor. There are numerous vertical planter and shelving ideas you can gather by browsing the internet. You can make these items with simple hand tools and scrap materials lying around your house. Such vertical space use draws the eye up and outwards, and gives it a green and completely different look. It can change the atmosphere of the area. You've walked into a different experience from your home. It's a psychological and emotional change. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.